And most of these people here, the testimony is there from Gingin until this time. To see the people them will help. It's not like say it's a friend thing. The people them when needed. Those are the people who will go for and try if they help. You understand? And there is other people who are in the community we never used to do all of these things. And them in a position where them could have make all these changes.
Sure.
You understand? But it take dream team, real team, and the right team
the right thing.
come here so to make it work.
Me don't know what them a pre about. A keynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Yeah, nice and peas and curry chicken. Where's the steppers?
Step foot, you know.
Curry step foot.
Curry step foot.
The steppers them called and nice and peas. So we have a big up Cassie.
Cassie?
Yeah, from Cheltenham.
From Cheltenham?
Yeah, UK.
UK. Cassie from Cheltenham. I hear them name there, you know, England and London, you know.
Yeah. So big up yourself, Cassie from Cheltenham.
Cassie from Cheltenham. You know,
yeah,
nice and peas and steppers, you know. She
Yeah.
provide for you, know. Give thanks, you know. You see, because dream team, I love the one.
Yeah.
You get me, because it's a different meal, you know, because you get the food, them, you know, but have spices in a different way. You get me, and this them say them more.
Yeah.
Nice and peas and steppers.
Yeah, steppers, what them call chicken foot.
You hear them call chicken foot.
Curry chicken foot, them call steppers. See, this is the wow chef.
It's true fish over here, man.
Jeez. Steppers. Okay, running.
See that? Red, gold and green in it too.
Curry that smells good.
Tell them, man.
Big up yourself, Cassie from the UK.
You see, from the UK.
Big up yourself, Yankee as well. Take my Yankee link, you know. Big up Yankee.
Yankee. You don't know, you know. He's a little always a go for you know. Give thanks to the Yankee. He's in unknown. He's in Philadelphia. Blessed love, you know.
Yankee introduced her to the program, you know.
Yeah, man.
So
I eat my sister brown show fish.
The brown stew fish. Cheese. Looking good. It's not finger licking, it's food licking.
They lick your finger, that's the oil they lick off.
Yeah.
Food licking. Food licking. Yeah, man, they must have everything gone.
Thing gone.
Whoa.
Whoa. Go chef, it come like say, the pray for the rice are too much.
Yeah, man. Go on, I'm going to say the Our Father 2 times. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, you can have to go one
bubble it up and bubble it up and bubble it up and fry steam it same way.
Roll up the pot, you see?
You get the can't eat, you know.
Over.
But we have to get 5 more minutes.
Yeah, man.
Because nice and basic name, you know.
Yeah.
So we have to get 5 more minutes to get all the good.
Yeah, right more.
Right more, the roll.
Yeah,
Cassie again.
Big up yourself.
Big up yourself.
Respect, you know.
And to all of the donors them.
You okay?
You see, everywhere in the world, blessed love, you know, give thanks for another for you. Always, you know, appreciate love. You get me, so I give you heart tone, because I want to keep your heart pumping. Because I give you something for do.
Yeah,
I give you that venom there for do them things.
Yeah,
creative cooking. You see, it's everything on how to do food. You see, you know, I have to love that. That's it.
And you say Amigo place up and running.
Yeah. Amigo. See, Amigo artist, I didn't even know.
Yeah.
I didn't even know.
We're
Maybe I watch by the program. I say Amigo stay so I chat something.
Yeah, man, just chat to you. Yeah, just chat to you.
See there? So I bring out the good out of people. You see now, and them talent where they have.
So we have a big up soul. We have a big up soul ministry.
Soul ministry.
Reap what you sow.
Reap what you sow.
From Maryland, USA.
Maryland, USA. Give thanks. Blessed love.
for one do.
Yeah, man.
You see?
Only for respect.
Yeah.
SOW Ministry.
Ministry.
Big up yourself, Soul Ministry
Big up
from
yourself,
Maryland, USA. You know?
So many names.
We make Amigo smile bright in turn big artists
Oh.
round there. You see me? And we can't stop big up Norman and Octavia.
Yeah, man.
You know them say slavery from first.
You see, and then put you in a part there to make sure it's safe. So now, man, and Octavia,
Yeah.
blessed love, give thanks to Most High, guide you and protect you. And to the donor, where it's sick one there,
Yeah.
blessed love.
Yeah, man, look, come back,
You go down in my house and
Nana.
go.
Yeah, man, Nana.
Prayer place for my prayer for you.
Yeah.
You know, for the Most High, guide you, watch over you, because you look out for good people.
And big up
See?
Unknown who purchased the dress as well for Amigo.
For produce the good dresser,
Yeah,
for
Amigo.
Give thanks. You
Yeah.
see, you always I do. You get me? So I have to give thanks again.
Every
We can't take the more the words where we are come up in my head.
Yeah,
I don't even know what we say
people.
more time.
Yeah, man.
You see, I feel good. It make me feel good. The
Great.
world make me feel good.
Make you
And
feel
the corona out there, I feel good. You see, so just keep yourself away there, because I want to make me aware of the mask in the kitchen. You get me? Because you have to do it.
Safety.
Safety first. When I can soon again.
Whoa! Love Bay Station.
Love Bay Station, our station.
Our station.
New York. We have some more stations.
John T. Blue and TYB.
John T. Blue and TYD.
Yeah.
Man, best this jockey them they don't
Yeah, we no boy pastor for lady.
No, no pastor, no boy, no pastor.
We got boy like that now.
No boy like that now. Right now, we're not even no team member out.
Yeah. Yeah, man, so big up all the donors them.
Big up all the donors them.
May God bless you.
Alright, may God bless you and
And
keep
may your
you
food basket never empty.
Never empty, always.
You know, Father God, guide and protect you
in a
know.
good time.
In the going out and the coming in.
In the going out and the coming in.
Yeah, man, and keep on the heads up and stay safe during this time of the pandemics. Because when we keep it going and we keep the less fortunate going. So we give thanks all the time. Builder,
Yeah.
motivational speaker.
Yeah, man. The Zaga Wow combination, you know?
Yeah, Zaga, wow.
Yeah, man.
Thing I go on, you know?
Zaga, 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 wow, wow, wow.
I'm a sparring P, you know?
Yeah.
One fish.
One fish.
But all the while me I talk to the fish him always and go move the other way.
Yeah. Chin face.
Sometimes. I don't want to upset the truth sometimes.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
But get in there.
Get in there.
Get in there.
He say he's a change man.
Yeah.
He
Get
say because of this program he's a change man.
Yeah,
so
man. Not him
we give
alone.
thanks.
Many of the man them say, boy, them not turn back from this, you know, because this program I come change them thinking, change them mindset,
Yeah.
and the way of life, and the way forward. When them look back and see where them coming from,
To
things
where they
we
are now.
to do and take place. Them say, boy, them don't want to reach back themselves. All hands are clean, and all hands are on deck.
Yeah.
So, them must support the cause, and we love that.
Yeah man, every time.
Dream Team come and make a change in the place, so boy. He's a prime example right now to each and every one.
Sure.
Down to the youth, them I see the youth, them I gravitate towards the thing right now. The littlest youth as a part of them. Dream Team,
Yeah, they
one
know.
team.
Sure.
You understand? And that's a
Youngest.
slogan for them.
Yeah.
And we like that. At least we say generation change what we are talking about right now. It starts from them youth and we are part of the change.
Of course.
And the rest of the community, we don't like them come and move and make it be like that.
Yeah.
You understand?
Big change in the
Yeah.
community.
Yeah man, and
Them say
move to the right.
them say together
To the right
direction.
direction right now, you know?
Them say together we all make a change.
Yeah.
Changes
Yeah,
in
man,
life.
so, I eat this man.
Blessings and
So-
give thanks to all donors.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
all the donors them across the world now. Right now, I'm not calling no name because there
much
is
name.
so many. You understand? But me I tell you from day one until this time, boy, me I tell you now, we can't thank you enough because we only have the willpower to do it, but without your strength and energy and support towards the thing, it can't happen.
Can't happen.
You understand? And each and every day, we hear the name them from day one until this time. Keep on repeating it over and over. And we know say boy, the pandemic and all of these things. Inside America, whatever go on over there, we still find it now on the art and on the self.
Yeah.
We still support the thing and still send $1 So we know, we know we are doing the right thing.
Of course.
Because if a manager we that put out,
Who they
who
get the
not get the
support?
support?
We value human being life.
Yeah, man.
Come first.
So it's not about us. Yeah, it's not
value
about-
human being life first.
Yeah.
More value
Yeah.
vanity.
Yeah.
Human being life is first.
Of course,
More
and
gold, gold and pearl.
yeah, man.
Yeah. Can't find out the love in your heart, you know.
Yeah.
You know, when we're for earth.
Yeah, man, you know,
You have
do it.
love
Sure.
the human being and value human being life. Hear all them is. They live in the gutter. You have to try and take them out of the gutter and wash them off because human being
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Them better than what the gold there in the gutter. You can't see the gold. You see a gold and gutter and the human being. You have to go for the human being.
Of course.
Because for them life more value.
And you see the thing about it is that we always have we always have put ourselves aside and try to.
Love carry children.
The love of the way, man.
Love.
Love is the only
Yeah, man.
solution.
Same way, them man are real in human being. When them come off on earth, the same thing about help human beings that way. Because we all have to go, but we do the right thing long as we are alive.
We have to leave a name
And
behind.
follow them and leave a name behind and do the right positive
The right
thing.
thing. As
If you have a
generation.
negative thing, you have a negative that way, spirit and they come off of the earth. So you have the positive when they come off of the earth and move righteous. And know so they move in that spirit, you have to look behind you.
Great
Yeah.
top chuck. No good at.
Original.
Original.
We set it. We
Yeah.
set it, ja. All of them youth, ja. Part of us, bro. Them see about the value. I never carry down a human being.
Never.
Never carry down a
Sometimes I wonder why we happened before.
Never.
You have people in great position.
Months and years, man. A year sharp man in the world.
People in high places there over the
Nobody.
years
Years.
and never used to do these things.
Yeah.
Look out for the less
Yeah.
fortunate, the grassroots
Yeah.
people that will need the help.
Yeah.
Nobody never used to look out for them.
Them need
It take you
You see it?
to Father God Himself
Yeah.
to inspire you and give you as the
the power.
messenger
Yeah,
to
real.
come with the message.
And do the right thing.
We know
Positive
take all the thing and I do. Look at it.
You don't do it for you, you do it for all of us, all human beings, you do it for Jah. You don't do it for you.
Yeah.
You don't do it for
Right,
you.
no.
You do it for the human being on the earth. You need it.
Yeah.
Need it. And
Oh,
God
see-
say you have to have somebody who knows you have to stretch your hand to how small it is.
What we see the
Stretch your
thing,
hand
what we
over
see the
there.
thing right now is that
You see it?
most of these people when them come out in a community and them a give back, them do it for the glory.
No, you can't
Them do it for the praise,
You have to
and
do it for
them
the
do it for
love,
hype.
for the heart. You have to do it for
You
the heart.
understand? We don't do it for that.
Do it for the
We are doing
love.
it for help people out of them situation and them condition. And most of these people here, the testimony is there from Gingin until this time. To see the people them we help. It's not like say it's a friend thing.
Friend thing.
The people them when needed.
Human being
Those
thing,
are the
Jah.
people who will go for and try
Yeah.
for
You need
help.
it, bro.
Yeah.
You understand? And there is other people who
And
are
a
set
dream, you know.
in
As
the
they are
community we never used to do
Yeah,
all of
man,
these
a dream,
things.
Jah.
And them in a position where them could have make all these changes.
Sure.
You understand? But it take dream team.
Definitely. You have to have a man
Real
against
team.
him. And a
And
key
the
of
right
your dream
team.
to bring the right thing with the
Come here
dream.
so for make it
Move
work.
forward.
And it will
You
work.
have to have a man out there.
It
You have to have a man.
Dream team.
As I said, everybody has said, well done. But you see, as well Marvin would have said something. Marvin says something and Marvin is a say. See you Kino, you come like Moses.
Yeah, man.
You see me I say, I just do the rod that you have in your hand, you know. We are across the sea, you know. So I say,
See all over
and
the world.
the donors them see where I go and where we are go through.
And the righteousness
You see me, I
they
say,
deal with.
and we not do enough fame and no money. And the love of
Human being.
because each one
I love
help one, and each one teach one.
Say the man tell us,
That's
see a man and got a man.
You see me I say, so as well I say, it no stop us up, you know. It's bigger than we. It's bigger than we. When we see one night we are going with paperwork, it gone. Gone far. Far it gone.
You know it feel good in myself more time. Several times. It's not just a one-off thing, but several times I do there. But up on the road, they all about, half a tree all about. And me and a man say, builder!
Yeah.
Dream team!
Yeah.
One team! Say one team,
Yeah.
and I say,
Yeah, don't
yeah, again, we don't know you.
Righteousness.
You understand?
Yeah, man.
I feel good in myself.
Them tune in.
But no say, Me I do something good, not somebody life.
Yeah.
You know when move me one at a time, I don't want to see if you. I'm go up and it was what? Red Sea Drive.
Red Sea Drive.
I'm a pass and this little girl run out of her yard and I see some most of her sisters, her mother run out. I say, ask him now. And them I tell the little girl, ask him now. I say, what? Them say, are you the pan dream team? I say, yeah man. And I tell her, say, I feel good and I say, watch every day, you know. And when you can have kids,
love you.
I look up to you and love you and appreciate you. You're in the right direction. So it's up to we now to keep the thing going in the right
Because
direction.
you are set a prime example in a
I'm telling nobody to come mash up this.
Tell about kids. If you do the right thing for earth and kids see you and love you, you must go through the life. Long as you see your kids that pass and shout you for the right thing you
Them
do.
are the angel, man. Them are the angel, man. Them are the light of the world, you know. Because they never come take over from us, you know.
Of course.
So we are putting our work now for them come follow. So Psalms and them look at you, they are Christian and look at the young generation. And them you, they are come follow now with the example where we are set right now for carry on the world and take the button. So we have to teach you them good value and show them good example. In order
We have to set the foundation.
we have to set it right now. So the little naysayers and the little people with the negative energy in the place, we are trying to mash up the place, we are trying to bring back the place. We want to look on this and know, say, back up.
Right, it's so good to set an example, you know, but it's very difficult to be an example.
Right.
You see me?
Right.
The example go with the journey.
True.
You see me? Because remember, you know, you be that person where they might come follow your footsteps.
Yeah.
You know, just come and say, yo, you just do that and you leave it right there.
Yeah.
You continue the example. You see me? So Dream Team is the example. You see me? And we are pave the way for people just continue because we never stop. Because we know so the journey is not for the swift. And so I ask them, on fit, we can carry on because remember, you know, there's a marathon. You see me? I would know, say, man, we get tired. So it's about the endurance. You see me? And say, to get up every day and say, no, I do this thing for the right reason. You see me? It's never for the wrong reason. You know? So that's how we motivate. Say, yo, I feel good today getting up, you know, because you smile like upon Amigo face, smile like upon Natisha face, you know, Jinjin face, Juki face. You see me? So there's so much prints. You see me? And the list go on. So it only can look within us. I say, yo, we are doing a great thing. So our blessings, it are going beyond measures because the greatness of we are do. You see me? I say, I support human beings. You see me? I say, it's not for the hype and the ticket and no. For the love.
Yeah, man.
And a long time we are sure that you want to see me.
You know what, today,
still
I'm
there.
sure something happened today. Today I'm going to make a delivery. And I'm here pen. And stay so, don't know and stay so. I see a man says, look for me, you have a little motor muscle and go back so walk on the pipe and wash me and but I go so and turn it at him there so like I bother there and see so I walk past and the man say, you take out my mask and see me him say, John, where you come from? And I say, yeah man. Man said, Kino Dream Team. I say, yeah. The man see I say, yeah. The man say, where you go? Come here man. Give me 2 pics. Picture me here so that you can see that. When I play a pen, I snap.
Prime example.
When you live on the highway part and someone just grabs the face and the man say, Dream Team! I must say, yes, bossy! Yeah, on the highway me apart.
Righteousness, man. I say, one thing, man.
I say, if you know, I say, go out.
Yeah, man.
You have to keep it disciplined.
Yeah, man. Of course.
I see that t-shirt,
Powerful. As you say, this way you say, Baja said, you said Baja, him said, me no say my part when me I tell you what I'm bridging you want, tell you for tuning on Clark TV. You see me I say, cause the man, when time the man see me in a credit union and the man say, the man call me fast car in a rally. Him say, oh that one team, Dream Team? I say, one team, Dream Team. So everywhere. Everybody know, everywhere. Everybody know.
Right, on the globe, man.
Because it's a picture we paint, you know, all over the globe there, you know.
I lady ask the youth,
Definitely.
I take a picture, I lady say, you a celebrity? And you say, yeah. And then must go up to her and say, Kino, a friend in need, go for YouTube and the whole weekend to watch it.
Sure.
Greatness away.
Man, that's how I go, man.
Yeah man, so those can get better, you know.
Yeah.
So as me say, you know, Moses, We're there, you know.
Disciples,
Yeah, they are. So let's wave the runner part to see how we will follow. I will now get ungrateful.
No, we don't.
Yeah, you know.
It couldn't possibly. Not disrespecting the donor, respect all donors.
Yeah,
you are the guy that is almighty. So anything
pure love, man.
And there comes the donor them, because we love them.
Yeah.
We have to
keep with.
And them keep the engine chuckling, yeah, man.
And them are the gas.
Them keep fuel it, you know.
Yeah.
Container, man. So pick up on yourself, all donors, man. You know what I'm
See donors them, some of them I watch it and some so be on board, you know.
Yeah.
Like a lady named Cassius, you know. I mean, I know the lady there, you know. Them said the lady there I go be on board, you know. Cassius, so big up yourself, you know, when you join the board, you know. Welcome to Dream Team.
And another thing, you know. You say me have a little brethren, you know. All the brethren.
Yeah.
We send off a box and tool for the team. I say, boy, it's not about money.
Yeah.
It's about giving back.
Yeah.
It's not all about money, but giving back. And I'm sorry because of the pandemic and all these things. When I come lend him support. But I send off a box or two and support. Big up my brethren. Because just doing that alone make you know say you're there.
Yeah, man.
You represent. Big up my friend.
Yeah, man.
Love what you do.
Yeah, man. And one time when I have to call, no name, I don't remember his name, but I'm a co-worker.
Yeah, man.
You see me, I say I'm
Love
a
that
co-worker.
brother.
Love what you do. You see me, I say for the team and the team. But I share the video with the team and the team like it. You see me, I say, so them well appreciate what you do for them.
man.
See,
Big up yourself,
enough
man.
love and keep yourself safe.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Big
Every
up.
time. Dream Team.
One thing.
Every time, man.
Dream
Big up
Team,
yourself,
one
all donors. But I make Magical now take over the kitchen. Whoa.
Watch out now, you see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.